If you're a software developer, GitHub helps you build all sorts of great things. Things that help people, things that could land you a job, things that could change the world, and some things that might not. So how do you tell the world about all the great things you're building? Billboards, direct mail. These days, you build a website, and there are lots of options out there, but so many of these options can be excessive or overwhelming, even for someone who develops software all day. GitHub Pages lets you turn GitHub repositories into elegant websites to showcase your portfolio, your projects, their documentation, or anything else you want to share with the world. There are no databases to set up and no servers to configure. In many cases, you don't even have to know HTML. Everything just works. If you're already using GitHub, it's the most direct path to create websites for you and your projects. So, how does it work? Well, GitHub serves all of your project sites from a personal URL tied to your username or organization. GitHub looks for web content for your projects on a special branch. For sites tied to an existing repository, this branch is separate from your code. But you can also create a site for yourself or your organization by creating a repository with your GitHub Pages URL as its name and adding web content to its master branch. You can even drag and drop your files straight into your browser to upload them. Now, if you want to build something a bit more ambitious, like a blog or structured documentation, GitHub Pages gives you a streamlined publishing experience with the help of Jekyll. Jekyll is an open source tool that transforms plain text files into websites. But it also supports things like variables, templates, and drafts, which give you more control over the format and presentation of your site. Now, no matter which path you choose, GitHub Pages lets you treat your website's content with the same level of care as the source code in all of your projects. Because your website's files are part of a GitHub repository, you can maintain them using the same family of tools and workflows you already use on GitHub. You can use the GitHub Flow to manage changes to your website. You can even write tests and have GitHub report the status back to you before merging those changes in. When you're ready to publish changes, just merge them in. GitHub automatically builds and deploys your site for you. This frees you up to focus on the content of your site instead of worrying about how you'll get it from your computer to everyone else's browser. Try out GitHub Pages with one of your projects today. Navigate to the Settings tab of your project and use the automatic page generator to create your first site. GitHub will populate your page with some basic content that you can customize with Markdown. If your project already has a README file, you can import its content here too. When you're finished editing, choose one of the pre-built themes and publish your site. If you need to make changes to this page, you can always rerun the automatic page generator or edit the files directly on GitHub. For now, if you browse to your site's URL, you can see it's up and running. With a few clicks, you can have something beautiful online, but this is only a fraction of what you can do. Visit pages.github.com to learn more about all the possibilities. GitHub is the place where you can build great things. GitHub Pages gives you a way to share those great things with everyone.